Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my March unbagging of my Yes Oh Yes bag, and I'm also going to be doing a review for February's bag. So if you guys want to see what I got for the month of March and hear about February, then keep watching. So if you don't know what Yes Oh Yes is, it is a monthly subscription service where that is $14.99 a month, and you get 3 to 7 full-size items every month. One of those items is always a palette of some sort. You get an eyeshadow palette, a lip palette, highlight palette, a cheek palette, something. And I've gotten some really great items from this, and I really do enjoy it. There are little hiccups, which we'll talk about later in the video. But I really do like Yes Oh Yes. If you would like to sign up, I am a brand ambassador for Yes Oh Yes. So if you click my link, I do get a little something when you use my link. And if you do use my link to sign up, I hope you guys like it. And thank you so much because it does help me and my channel out. So let's get into February's review. The first thing I'm going to talk about is the Beauty Creations Emerald palette. This palette retails for $11.99 and I absolutely love it. The colors are stunning. They're so easy to work with. They're so easy to blend. They're everything. They're so good. The shimmers are so pigmented. Also watch this gold, so stinking pretty. It is so good. Beauty Creations is so good with their shimmer shades. It's insane. But I absolutely love this palette. The one thing about this palette is that Beauty Creations actually changed the name to Esmeralda 1. They have the Esmeralda 1 palette, which is this one, and then the Esmeralda 2, which is a different palette, both with very pretty jewel toned shades. They both have the same packaging, so if you are looking to get this palette, I will obviously have the correct link down below. But if you're looking for it on the Beauty Creations website, you have to type in Esmeralda. Just type in Esmeralda and you'll find it easily. But I really do enjoy this palette. It has some similar shades to the Subculture palette, which I have talked about. And I definitely want to do a Esmeralda Emerald palette, whatever it's called, versus the Subculture palette. So if you guys want to see that, let me know in the comments down below. And that'll definitely be a video up in April because I feel like it would be really fun to do. Next up is this Bang Beauty Lip Crayon in the shade Dangerous. This retails for $18 and I had no idea what shade this was, but until I put it on my lips, and of course I didn't take any pictures when I wore it, but it's a really pretty red orange shade. It is going to be perfect for summer, so I'm really excited to be using this. This was so comfortable to wear. It was so long lasting. It actually lasted way longer than I expected. It kind of has kind of reminds me of a lip balm kind of finish, a tint kind of, but it just lasted so long and it was so comfortable to wear. I ate with this on. I drank soda and water or whatever with this on, and it was just so good. Like I said, I'm so excited to wear this for the summer because I think it's going to be really pretty on tan skin, so I'm very excited for this. Next up, we have these 3 brushes from INMO. So I can't tell you the prices of these because this is where it got sketchy last month, because you could only find the set, and it was a set of 13 for $45. So individually they came out to roughly $3.46, but you can't buy them individually. So we got an angled brush, a blending brush, and then a shadow brush. I like these brushes. They're okay. I just feel like the handle is too light. That is one thing I don't like. They feel kind of cheapy to me. So for $45, I would not buy the full set. I would spend $3 though individually. So that's just me. But they're just very lightweight. When I use them, it's just, I don't know. I feel like they're just so lightweight. It's hard to kind of control almost because they're kind of just flopping. I don't know how to describe it because all the weight is obviously right here in the brush. But they're good brushes. I really like this one. You can probably tell it's been used a lot for concealer when I do a half cut crease look like I have going on today. I used it, but they're good. This one I like the fluffier one to really smudge the lower lash line. And then this angled brush, I think it was for eyebrows, but I don't really like these kind of brushes for my eyebrows because it's too flimsy. I've been using it just to do eyeliner, smudging, or eyeshadow, along the lower lash line and the upper lashes. But They're okay brushes. Like I said, they're definitely worth like $3, which I would probably pay for individually, but I would not spend $45 on the full set because they're so light and like cheapy feeling. Next up, we have this eyeliner from Jcat. Is the Holy Addiction eyeliner in the shade Shimmer Bronze. So I've used this a couple of times and the color is really, really pretty. It's right here. It's like a really pretty, obviously bronzy color. I put it in my waterline today and it's gone. It went away so quickly. It's, you know, it's really cheapy. It's $2.99. It doesn't last long, but the color is really pretty. I want to try to play with it more, maybe on the upper eyelid, and see if it smudges more or anything, but it's definitely not my favorite eyeliner, and I could see where it's $2.99, but it's just like, it stinks that it doesn't last long in the waterline. But I kind of, in a way, was expecting that because fun color eyeliners never last in my waterline, so I'm not really that mad. It's, you know, you get what you pay for with eyeliners. I feel like the more expensive ones will last, but it's $2.99, so you really can't go wrong, and I like Jcat. So, and the last product from the February bag is this Cokie eyeliner in the shade Forest Green. So this retails for $6, and I really, really like it. The color is gorgeous. Again, I don't have any pictures of me wearing it, but I did use it for a St. Patrick's Day party that I went to the other day, and I used it for my eyeliner up here, and I smudged it out, and this smudged out like amazingly. It was so easy to smudge. The color is gorgeous. Again, I absolutely love it. I definitely want more of these because they're so easy to use. They're like a gel. They're velvet smooth, like, but they don't tug. That's the one good thing. It doesn't tug. It's like so creamy and just so nice to use on the skin, and I really, really liked this. So overall, was February worth it? I think it was worth it. I really did enjoy most of the products. I just wasn't really the biggest fan of the Jcat liner, and the brushes I like, I just don't love them because they're just so light. But other than that, I really think that February was worth it. And now on to March's unbagging. So thank God I always open my subscription bags or boxes whenever they come, just to make sure like nothing's broken or anything. And this is why. So this is the card that we got, and the theme is girl power. And on the back of the cards, as you can tell, there's always the information. Most of the time they have the prices. This month doesn't have any information about any of the products. It just says, the moment you realize you will never pay full price for makeup, yes, your monthly total savings is 82% off retail. More savings, more yes. Hashtag yes, oh yes. That's all it says. Nothing about the products. So I had to go on Google and research all the products myself so I can tell you the prices and their actual names, because I just feel like I wouldn't be doing a good job if I didn't do that. So first we have this IBY Cheek to Cheek palette. So this is, I was really excited for this because I don't really have like a cheek palette, like a palette just dedicated to cheek, but the packaging of this is stunning. It kind of reminds me of like It Cosmetics. I feel like they have something like this. So you open it up and there's two really pretty shades. So there's Jive and Cha Cha. Jive is a more matte shade and Cha Cha is a shimmer shade. Let me show you guys again. Really, really pretty. I think this is like the Peach Duo or something. Yeah, Blush Duo palette and Peachy. So it says achieve a healthy glow or go for a bold eye to cheek draping look with this complimentary Blush and Duo palette. Whether you're draping your cheeks for a classic healthy glow or boldly experimenting with modern trends like the eye to cheek highlighting, those beautiful blush duos will help you nail every look. Each buildable, blendable shade is infused with rosehip seed oil to nourish and hydrate your skin. So let's do little swatches of these. Ooh, they're very, very soft. So this is what they look like. Ooh, they're really, really pretty. This shade is, I guess that was, one of the shades is chunky and I don't remember. I guess it's Cha Cha. Cha Cha's a little chunky, but they're really pretty, and it's not too overly shimmery, which is good, because sometimes I feel like some blushes can just be like really chunky with the shimmers. But I'm very excited for these. I've been dying to use them, but I always wait until after the unboxing to try everything because I don't want to try stuff. And this retails for $15. So next up we have this Moira, I think that's how you say it, Lush Matte Lip Cream. So this retails for $7, and this is in the shade of Butter Cake. The packaging reminds me of the NYX soft matte lip creams, like the, I don't know, like the matte black handle. Has a nice doe foot applicator. I think the shade is really pretty. It smells, I don't know if it has a smell. Oh yeah, I'm smelling baby wipe on my hand. This smells like just like cake batter, like vanilla-y, but this is really pretty. On the website, they had so many colors, and for $7, if I like this, I might order some more because they're really, really pretty colors. They had a ton of colors, like I said. Next up, we have the Bellapierre Mineral Cosmetics Mascara. So I think this retails for $19.99. I could not find this exact mascara on their website because, and I'm only saying that because the brushes were different. This is what the wand looks like. It reminds me of the e.l.f. mascara. I'm excited to try it. I'm actually running out of mascaras, so I hope this one's like somewhat decent. It sounds interesting. Let me know if you guys have ever tried Bellapierre because I've never heard of Bellapierre. Next up is this Mirabella eye crayon in the shade Semi Sweet. This little guy retails for $10. The shade is just like a nice brown shade. Yeah, it's just like a nice dark brown shade. It'll be really pretty for eyeliner. Kind of wish they did a more springy color, like a purple or a blue, like a light blue, light purple, something like that. But I mean, brown's always good. I guess they just try to keep it like more neutral, like especially with the lip, because everyone gets the same products. No one gets anything different. And then the last product is this Douce, I think it's how you say it, eyeliner in black. So this has such like luxurious packaging and it's $22. So let's see. I mean, oh, that's a pretty black eyeliner and it looks like it'll be good for smudging. So definitely excited to try this. Like I said, the packaging is like so just nice and like luxurious feeling. So I wonder if it's worth the $22. So this month's total retail value was $73.99. I think it's pretty worth it. We did get a lot of good stuff, like the mascara I'm excited to try, and the cheek palette too. I'm excited to try everything. I'm really happy that we didn't get a lot of duplicates. Like last month we got the 2 eyeliners, so I think that was really nice. I mean, we got the eye crayon and an eyeliner, but the eye crayon can definitely be used as an eyeshadow and eyeliner, so it's to me that's like a dual product. But I'm really excited for everything. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on the review for when I get next month's bag, because I'm very excited for next month's bag. There's been some spoilers, so if you guys want to check out the spoilers, go follow Yes Oh Yes on Instagram because that's where all the spoilers are. And that is it for this Yes Oh Yes unbagging. Let me know in the comments down below what you thought of this month's bag. And if you sign up, thank you. I really appreciate it. It really does mean a lot to me because, like I said, I do get a little something if you use my link that is down below in the description box. If you liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Follow me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box as well. If you guys have any video suggestions, please let me know in the comments down below. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying hey, please do that too. And that is all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!